Planning your first trip can be super overwhelming, right? You want to make the most of it but don't even know where to start. Well, you're in luck because today we're going to break down the essential tips and tricks you need to know before embarking on your first travel adventure. From packing and budgeting to navigating new cultures and staying safe, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at planning your first trip, and you'll be ready to take on the world. Packing can be a major headache for first-time travelers. How do you know what to bring? What if you forget something important? The key is to start thinking about your packing list weeks in advance. Make a list of essentials like your passport, visa, and any necessary documents. And then add on extra items like clothes, toiletries, and adapters. Another common challenge faced by first-time travelers is budgeting. It's easy to overspend when you're on vacation, especially if you're not used to converting currency or tracking your expenses. But trust us, it's worth it to set a budget and stick to it. You can start by researching the cost of accommodations, food, and activities in your destination, and then add on a little extra for unexpected expenses. Navigating new cultures can also be intimidating, especially if you're traveling alone. How do you know what's appropriate and what's not? The key is to do your research beforehand and be respectful of local customs and traditions. For example, if you're traveling to a country where modest dress is expected, make sure to pack accordingly. Lastly, staying safe while traveling is a top priority. How do you know what areas to avoid and what scams to watch out for? The key is to stay informed and trust your instincts. Research your destination beforehand, stay in well-lit and populated areas, and avoid traveling alone at night. In conclusion, planning your first trip may seem overwhelming, but with these essential tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to a successful travel experience. Remember to prepare, stay informed, and stay flexible, and you'll be ready for anything that comes your way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your own travel tips or questions. If you liked this video, be sure to check out our other travel-related videos for more tips and inspiration. Happy travels!